Mercus currently has 38,523 documents in its own system. If you open a list containing 200 documents per page, there would be a total of 193 pages of documents. In other words, there is a huge amount of documentation. How do you find the right ones in this massive collection? The traditional way is for the user to search for the desired document themselves. But how is it named? Where is it stored? What kind of tags is it equipped with? In this way, finding a document is entirely up to the user's memory, regardless of the tools used. In BSM, the approach is the opposite. That is, the document can intelligently indicate its presence. The user does not hunt the document hunts the user. But regardless of the system, determination and planning are an invaluable basis for everything you do, including in document management. This is also how BSM works. Would you like to know more? Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you more.